Weeknight dinners, ready in 30 minutes. Welcome to Weeknight Dinners, ready in 30 minutes, where we're all about bringing delicious, nutritious meals to your table without the hassle. Whether you're juggling a busy schedule, managing family time, or just want to enjoy a quick homemade dinner, these recipes are designed to save you time without sacrificing flavor. Let's dive into tonight's dinner inspiration. Recipe 1. Simple stir-fry. Visual. Ingredients laid out, vibrant vegetables, and sizzling pan. Script. First up, a simple stir-fry that's packed with flavor and ready in no time. Start with your choice of protein, chicken, tofu, or shrimp, then add in a colorful mix of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Stir-fry it all with a tangy soy ginger sauce and serve over steamed rice. It's healthy, it's quick, and it's perfect for a busy weeknight. Recipe 2. One-pan lemon garlic salmon. Visual. Fresh salmon fillets being seasoned and placed in a pan, garnished with lemon slices and herbs. Script. Next, we have a one-pan lemon garlic salmon that's as simple as it is delicious. Place your salmon fillets on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and season with garlic, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. Pop it in the oven, and while it bakes, prepare a quick side of roasted asparagus or a fresh salad. In under 30 minutes, you'll have a restaurant-quality meal that's full of flavor and omega-3s. Recipe 3. Veggie-packed pasta. Visual. Pasta being tossed with vibrant vegetables and a creamy sauce. Script. Lastly, let's whip up a veggie-packed pasta that's both satisfying and speedy. Cook your pasta according to the package directions, then toss it with sautéed zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and spinach. Finish it off with a light cream sauce or a sprinkle of Parmesan for a comforting meal that's bursting with fresh flavors. It's a great way to sneak in extra veggies and get dinner on the table in no time. And there you have it, 3 quick, delicious weeknight dinners ready in 30 minutes or less. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, these recipes are sure to become your go-to meals during the week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.